This robot vacuum is getting so advanced, it literally washes and dries its own mop now. The Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro feels less like a vacuum and more like hiring a tiny cleaning employee that never complains. This thing has insane 15,000 Pascal suction power, spinning dual mop pads, AI obstacle avoidance, self-emptying dust collection, self-cleaning mops, and even hot air drying so the mop doesn't smell disgusting after cleaning. Basically, it cleans itself while cleaning your house. And the craziest feature? Its mop arms actually extend outward to clean edges and corners most robot vacuums completely miss. It also auto-lifts the mop when it detects carpets, boosts suction automatically, maps your entire house with laser navigation, and can clean for up to 75 days before you even touch the dust bag. That's actually wild. But here's the catch. Like most robot vacuums, it's not perfect with super messy rooms or complicated obstacles. And some users say setup and mapping takes time before it becomes really smart. Still, for the price, this is starting to feel dangerously close to premium Roborock level cleaning. Imagine waking up and your floors are already vacuumed, mopped, dried, and cleaned before breakfast. That's the future Xiaomi is selling here. And honestly, we're getting dangerously close to replacing manual cleaning forever. Follow for more brutally honest tech reviews.